Hello, in this video you will learn how to create a chart that contains a double y-axis graph. The purpose of the double axis chart or graph is to compare the growth, change, and progress of two different items, such as comparing apples to oranges. In this example, we will be comparing the growth of the stock prices of the Apple Corporation, shown here in the blue line. You can see it's steadily going up, as compared to the Dow Jones Industrial Index. So the Dow Jones Index shows the growth, or shows the volume of the sale of stocks for the 5 largest corporations in the United States. So you can see the Dow Jones Index is also steadily going up, but not at the same rate as the Apple stock is going. So let's look at how we can make this chart. So first you're going to have to put in a title for your chart, as I've done here in A1. Then your column headings, year, Apple, and Dow Jones. Then the 4 years that we're looking at, 2009, 2010, 2011, and 12. Then the price of the Apple stock. Look how that's increasing. Isn't that amazing? So think of your profit if you had bought Apple stock in 2009. And then the volume of the stocks traded on the Dow Jones Industrial Average for 2009, 10, 2011, and 2012. Once you've got your data entered, and please feel free to pause this video until you've entered your data as shown here. Then restart your video once you've got your data entered, and then what we need to do is format. So the first thing we have to make sure is we have on the formatting toolbar, as you see here. If you don't see your formatting toolbar, you can turn that on by clicking on the View menu, then Toolbars, and make sure there's a check mark in front of Formatting. Okay, now you've got your formatting toolbar on, so we can begin the formatting process. First we're going to highlight A1 to C1, and then we're going to click on the Merge and Center button. That centers the chart title over the column headings. Then we're going to select A2 to C2, and we're going to click on the Center Align, and that centers our column headings over the data. Then I want to center the years in their columns, so I'm going to select a range A3 to A6, and again click on the Center Align button. For the price of the Apple stock, I want to select a range B3 to B6 and use the currency formatting button to apply dollar signs. And then for the volume of stocks sold on the Dow Jones, I want to select the range C3 to C6 and just apply the comma formatting. And that concludes part 1 of this process, which is just creating the spreadsheet.